Oh yeah, we live right now.
Is that GoPro? Is that GoPro or?
U-Hawk, U-Hawk, yeah.
Did you say Oprah?
Push up.
I'm low here. Hey, I'm in, get in. That's you, yep, stay ball. Yep, I'm high. I got your help in. I'm over. Match up. I'm in, I'm low. Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
You play in the league, you know what equal pressure is, okay?
Yeah.
You got to cut the big checks off the ball.
Oh, that's
okay?
equal. That's as equal as it gets. I can only pull up so much.
I just don't want to call penalties tonight.
I hear you. Yeah. I respect that.
Good
carry. Stay low. Yep. You will. I probably did. I'll get a couple more too. Yeah!
I know.
There you go, baby.
It's because this guy was pushing. Let's go.
I'm with you.
Off back. Good work. Push. Watch back. Straight.
Let him go.
Push. Yeah. Back off a little. Back off.
You sit down.
That's a cross check. Come on now. Yeah, I'm up. Hey, cross checking's legal, right?
Like stay in more?
Come on, baby. Come on.
It's going up on YouTube.
Oh yeah. Oh, you want to say something?
Oh, it's in.
Is it actually going?
Oh yeah. Subscribe.
Body him.
One.
Hey, find him in. Perfect. Good boy, hey. Good job.
Yeah.
Hey, take low.
I'm low. I'm here. Yep, you go. Yep. Ball. I'm in. You're high. Come high. low. Pass. You're low, you're low.
Yeah, come on, come on, come on. I got help. Oh, that's what fucking stung right in the fucking kid.
Yeah, that's it. Match up, match up. Get over, get over, get over. Get over that.
Come do it, come do it.
That was a good little slash, buddy.
I'm not going to chase after you.
Why not?
It's like that. He ran it before.